In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn notifications on or off in Microsoft Outlook on the web. We'll start right from the browser to make this easy. Open your preferred web browser and head to Google. In the search box, type Outlook and press Enter. From the results, click the official Outlook website to open Outlook on the web. This is the version that runs in your browser, and it works whether you're using a personal account or a work or school account. If you're asked to sign in, just use your usual account credentials to continue. Once your inbox is open, look to the top right corner of the page for the small gear icon. That's the settings icon. Click it to open the settings pane on the right side of your screen. This panel gives you quick access to common options, but we're going a bit deeper to reach notification controls. In the settings area, choose General. This takes you to the broader set of preferences that affect how Outlook behaves in your browser. Within General, select Notifications. This section is dedicated to how and when Outlook alerts you about new messages and events. Here you'll see a toggle that lets you turn notifications on or off. If you want Outlook to display desktop notifications, switch it on. If you prefer not to be interrupted or you're stepping into focus mode, switch it off. When notifications are enabled, Outlook can show banners and, depending on your setup, play a sound when new mail arrives. Keep in mind, for browser notifications to work, your browser must have permission to show notifications from Outlook. If you see a prompt asking for permission, choose Allow so those alerts can appear on your desktop. If you don't get alerts after turning them on, check your browser's site permissions and your system's notification settings to make sure they're not being blocked. After you've made your choice, click Save. This confirms the change and applies it to your account in the web version of Outlook. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same notifications page and flip the toggle again, then save. A quick tip: notifications here control what you see on this computer and this browser. If you use multiple browsers or devices, you may need to adjust permissions or settings on each one for a consistent experience. Also, mobile app notifications are managed inside the Outlook app on your phone, separate from these web settings. That's it. You've turned Outlook web notifications on or off and saved your preference. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.